القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 5. In lesson number 5 you'll be learning the letters of med, the letters of elongation and lean. Now lean is a specific type of med which doesn't have a translation in English, so you will know them as just lean. So med is elongation, so when you lengthen something. So let's go to the introduction of the letters of med. Now this lesson will be divided into two parts. The first part will be covering the med, and the second part will be covering the lean, inshallah. So this is the part on the med. So there are three letters of elongation in the Arabic language, and they are alif, waw and ya. If you remember on one of the previous lessons, I said to you that the alif is only a med letter, an elongation letter. So this is never has a harakat on it, where the waw and the ya can have a harakat, but also these are also the elongation letters. They are known as these are the three letters known as the elongation letters, as they follow the elongation of the harakah. So the fatha is the elongation of alif, the dhamma is the elongation of waw, and the ya is the elongation of the kisra, and you can see that is very natural. Now they are known as mad tabi'i, the natural vowels of the Arabic language, the natural med letters. Missing the elongation of the med letter will result in the change in the meaning of the glorious Quran, and the examples of the harakat and the corresponding letters have been given below. So here, inshallah, you will see the examples. So here the harakah is fatha, and the elongation letter of that is alif. And if we join, for example, a ba to that, just to make it easy for pronunciation, we can see that when the ba has a fatha on it, and after that there's an alif, then the letter will not be pronounced ba, like with the just a fatha, but it will be pronounced ba. So just like the letter ba, it will be pronounced exactly like that. Ba. If we were to do this with a kaf, for example, it would be not ka, but it would be ka. If we were to do this for the lam, it wouldn't be la, it would be la. So we just stretch it, a natural sound. Now this natural elongation is actually in every other language. In every other language you have short vowels and long vowels. So in English, for example, when you say read, read is a long vowel, and it will be the same length in Arabic as it is in English. So read, ba. We can see the length of this is exactly the same. So this is very, very easy to learn once you know which harakah corresponds to which med letter. The second one is the Kisara. The harakah of the Kisara is the elongation letter of this is the ya. So this is li. So the lam with the Kisara on it, and then the next letter after that is ya. That would be li. So remember, the harakah will be on the previous letter, and the med letter will be written after that, and joined or not joined depending on the joining of the letters. The next one is the dhamma, and the dhamma, the elongation letter of that is the waw. So here we can see when the dhamma is added onto a kha, and it's a waw afterwards, we will say khu. Again, ba, li, khu. Okay, now one important note is very, very easy. One important note, if you notice, the elongation does not have a harakah, sakin or a shadda on it. A shadda is a one of the diacritics that you will learn later on, one of the harakat that diacritics that you learn later on. It naturally has a sakin on it, and therefore is not written with a sakin in the Arabic copies of the Quran. So this will never have a sakin on it, and if it does not have a sakin on it, you know that there is a sakin on it, and it's an elongation letter. Okay, so like previously, some letters do not come with a sakin. The med letters are one of those. Okay, so you'll have just a fatha before it, and then the alif, you know this is a ba. If you have a kisra, and then the ya, so for example, let's say this is with the noon, it would be ni. And if it was a letter with the dhamma, and after that there's a waw, so let's say for example, this example is khu. Let's say in another example it will be with a meme, so it will be mu. So this is the introduction of the med, and inshallah in the next lessons we will be looking at how to pronounce this with each letter.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.